Are you having fun?
Oh yeah, you guys have a great job.
Yeah, you're not too cold.
No, my hands are a little bit, but you know what? I'm optimistic. I know it's going to warm up a little bit, so
It's totally worth it anyway.
oh yeah.
I'm a real big Van Halen fan, so this is my gift from him. So he's willing to act like a fool because he loves me enough to take me to Van Halen.
Yeah. Are you doing so far, Dave?
Yeah.
Think you've earned these tickets?
I don't know. That's up to you.
I think he's good. All right. So congratulations, Dave. You're gonna go and see Van Halen on the Bangor waterfront on July 30th. What a great show. Good, very good work. Rock on, man.
Oh yeah, always.